guys, I'm C2 and this is a video of single pin picking a 5-pin Lince 50mm padlock. I'm trying another tripod I was given from work, so I do apologise if nothing's focusing too well because it's sort of a little bit of a distance from me. This was given to me by kind Carlos Talent Pick. Thank you, my friend, for my collection. That's the key. I did actually let somebody at work borrow this. They were having a lock repaired on a gate, so they had to take it out. So I lent them this lock and a chain just to secure it because local kids seem to keep letting his little dogs out. Is it working? Using Gosso pick. And also one of my favourites, I think it's from an old Clom set. I'm going to pick this middle of the Keyway. Basically what you've got, obviously top of the Keyway where you can place a tension wrench, bottom of the Keyway, but if you can get a tension wrench in there now and again, works wonders, which is what I'm going to do with this. Drops over slightly. Not sure if the light's going to catch it too well. So tension on, start the back. It's heavy-ish tension. I'm sorry, I'm full of cold again, typical British weather. So I'll start picking. That's it, open. It's a nice little pick. That's a Lince 50mm Spanish padlock single pin picked. And again, that's bitting on the key. So thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.